Hey yo, what up, famous?
Some G's I'm right about now, you don't know, say it's a new day, say it's a new vlog. Right now, I'm in a laundry room right now, I do some laundry. Early morning laundry. Alright now, I just want some blessings and respect to everybody who followed out and take the time out to support yet another vlog. You know what I mean? Because my sister was there. As me that say a little while, my sister will know. You know, they see me and rock with me, you know what I mean? I just want some blessings and respect for that. And truly, really, yo, me can't stress how grateful and how much me really appreciate that, because last year, a whole heap of people cut left me last year, you know what I mean? So, if you see me there and if you sister who know still there with me, really, man, truly appreciate that, you know what I mean? But, for today, right now, I just do some quick laundry. Early morning, as I said to you know, Maybe have some chicken back in the fridge. I put that for thaw. I probably cook chicken back and ackee today. I think me have ackee upstairs, I'm not sure yet. But I probably have to go up on the road to buy a ackee. So if I go up on the road to buy a ackee, I'm going to journey with me. But I cook today, I want to cook it together. So yeah man, I don't know, straight blessings and respect. As you can see, I have what? 33 minutes left. 33 minutes left right now, so go back upstairs. Right, so my chicken back here. Chicken back at out. I have to go search for me ackee now and see if I find it. Definitely, we're in business. Find a one thing still. All kind of ackee. I folks me I see the brand new. Let me remember get the brand new. But I guess we in business. Jesus. Really mash off my foot with the mackerel. Yeah. See, my clothes them don't wash now. Just so when you're so dark. Yeah man, with it on schedule, you know. Everything done with it on schedule, you know. It's fresh. The fresh scent, they're nice. $60, 1 hour left. We need to check how much money they on the card. Probably $2, $1. $1.75. I just go throw on some money on there. I want to read my card, you know. I'm going to put on some money on there. And then next time you have money, I just have to put $10 on there. $10. How me do that? Damn, other. Yeah. Come on man, hurry up man, approve. Yeah, rich again. Clothes can wash again. Both you go clean up and season up my chicken back right now. Cut it up. Chicken back not pretty like one time, you know what I mean? I tell everybody say chicken back better than chicken. What I'm gonna do now is I just gonna cut it up, clean it up, sweat it up. from me, I'm about to run the back downstairs to pick up my clothes. I think it's supposed to dry because it's a 1 hour time. And I think an hour gone already, so I'm going to see if them done right now. Clothes them done. So we good to go. I don't want to drop the laundry bag, you know, can't put the laundry bag on the ground. Clothes them done, so I run, go up upstairs because I left my pot on fire. Do not repeat, I repeat, do not do that because you know, But yeah, people in my house, some good, I go fancy me. Then now I make my pot burn up. My pants are drop off for me, I don't want to put on my bag, so hold on, let me link to the bag. So my G's them food done cook, me done consume long time, belly full right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it fresh. You know what I mean? I'm gonna post the vlog here and just make gonna get some to watch because I wanna always say it, I tell you say not every vlog gonna be entertaining and every vlog gonna lit and not every vlog gonna see everybody. Me have down day like today. Normally, what me do today, I won't even record it and post it as a vlog, but I don't tell you say this year I do better. I may try, I wanna go see it. So I can just post this and I'm gonna get a vlog, you know what I mean? So blessings and respect again for everybody who followed out and watch the vlog here. I just want to say really and truly appreciate it. Mad move. Remember, always leave a like, always comment.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it in a